Today's business vocabulary upgrade focuses on replacing weak phrases with precise, high-impact language that reflects professionalism and authority. Let's begin with performance and results. Instead of saying very good, use exceptional. The Q3 sales results were exceptional, exceeding targets by 32%. Instead of very bad, use abysmal. Customer satisfaction scores this quarter were abysmal and require immediate intervention. Instead of very fast, use expedient or rapid. We need an expedient resolution to the supply chain bottleneck. Instead of very slow, use protracted or sluggish. The approval process has become unnecessarily protracted, delaying our launch. Now let's move to financial terms. Instead of very profitable, use lucrative. The new enterprise partnership has proven to be highly lucrative. Instead of very expensive, use prohibitive or exorbitant. The licensing fees were prohibitive for our current budget. Instead of very cheap, use cost-effective. We found a more cost-effective solution for our cloud storage needs. Instead of very valuable, use invaluable or pivotal. Her market analysis was invaluable to our strategic planning. Communication and meetings are next. Instead of very clear, use explicit or unambiguous. Please provide explicit instructions for the compliance audit. Instead of very confusing, use perplexing or convoluted. The new reporting structure is unnecessarily convoluted. Instead of very long, use extensive or comprehensive. The board requested a comprehensive review of all acquisitions. Instead of very short, use succinct. Please prepare a succinct executive summary of the findings. Let's address risk and problems. Instead of very risky, use hazardous or speculative. Entering that market without proper research would be speculative. Instead of very dangerous, use precipitous. A sudden pivot at this stage would be precipitous for investor confidence. Instead of very problematic, use detrimental. The software bug is detrimental to user experience and retention. Instead of very weak, use deficient. The current cybersecurity measures are deficient and require upgrading. Now for positive attributes. Instead of very important, use crucial or imperative. Stakeholder alignment is crucial before proceeding with the merger. Instead of very helpful, use instrumental. Your team was instrumental in securing the client renewal. Instead of very efficient, use streamlined. The new workflow is streamlined, reducing processing time by 40%. Instead of very organized, use methodical. Her approach to project management is exceptionally methodical. Market and competition vocabulary is essential. Instead of very competitive, use cutthroat or saturated. The smartphone market has become increasingly cutthroat. Instead of very popular, use ubiquitous or dominant. Their product has become ubiquitous in the home office category. Instead of very new, use novel or pioneering. They introduced a novel approach to sustainable packaging. Instead of very old, use antiquated or obsolete. Our current CRM system is becoming antiquated. In negotiation and relationships, instead of very fair, use equitable. We're seeking an equitable distribution of responsibilities in the partnership. Instead of very unfair, use inequitable. The proposed terms were inequitable and required renegotiation. Instead of very flexible, use adaptable. We need an adaptable contract that can accommodate scaling. Instead of very strict, use stringent. The new regulations impose stringent reporting requirements. Strategy and planning demand precision. Instead of very careful, use meticulous. Their due diligence process was remarkably meticulous. Instead of very detailed, use granular. Management requested more granular data on customer segmentation. Instead of very simple, use straightforward. The implementation plan is straightforward and executable. Instead of very complex, use Byzantine or multifaceted. The tax implications are multifaceted and require expert consultation. Finally, growth, development, and quality. Instead of very quick growth, use exponential. We're seeing exponential user growth in the Asian markets. Instead of very stable, use resilient. Our diversified portfolio has proven resilient during market volatility. Instead of very uncertain, use volatile. The current regulatory environment remains volatile. Instead of very changing, use fluid or dynamic. Consumer preferences in this sector are remarkably dynamic. For quality and standards. Instead of very high quality, use premium or exemplary. The materials used are of premium quality, justifying the price point. Instead of very poor quality, use subpar. The subpar components led to multiple product returns. Instead of very consistent, use reliable. Their service delivery has been consistently reliable for 5 years. Instead of very different, use disparate. We're dealing with disparate data sets that need integration. Upgrade your vocabulary, and your business communication will sound clearer, stronger, and more credible.